what's up guys? Daisy back with another unboxing video. This time I'm going to be unboxing the MJX X600. I've heard a lot of things about this bird and I heard it is awesome. The only thing it doesn't have for you beginners is altitude hold, but you know what? This was a pretty good price little bird. And it will be good for you to learn how to control a manual bird, you know, without tearing something up that you paid a bunch of money for. Anyway, let's go ahead and get with the unboxing. I've already opened it, of course. I tell you in every video, you know, I open these so I can get them charged up and ready to go and ready for flight for that flight test and review. In the box comes your charger. Simple USB charger. Now I have the X800 and the X600, and there are two major differences in the chargers, so you don't have to worry about them getting mixed up. The charger for the X800 is a little charger that has a red end on it, and the X600 is a bigger charger with the white end on it. Easy to keep them separated. You won't ever get mixed up. All right, and for the bird, this is the MJX X600 hexacopter. Solid. It feels like they put some serious thought into this fuselage. The plastic feels solid. I mean, it's a little flimsy towards the end, but what else do you expect with legs this small? Like I told y'all before, I've already charged this. So let's go ahead and give you guys a light show on it. It does have an on and off switch, which is a good thing and a bad thing sometimes. Because you know, these switches can go faulty on you sometimes, depending on how much you fly your bird. You may not want to use this switch all the time. You can always easily just put this to the arm position and simply unplug your battery. Easy as that. But anyway, here's the lights. It's got really good LEDs on it. At nighttime, you should be able to see this thing really good. Shouldn't have a problem. And if you do have a problem, I have my finger light solution down in my videos. You can go and check that out. $7. I paid for 100 pieces of these finger lights, and they go on with rubber bands, and I'm definitely pretty dang sure that you could put them on here because they weigh next to nothing. But here's the fuselage. Looks like a really great, stout, little fast bird. We'll find out in the review video. Haven't flown one yet. Also in the box you have, these are the sticks for the controller. They do not come on the controller because they stick up a little bit too far. So MJX came up with a way to separate the sticks from the controller without having to screw them in. You stick them in and twist them a little bit and they stick in there really good. You have extra set of props and some screws. The screws are going to be for your landing gear and for the controller. Here's the controller. One thing I really do like about this controller is that it has a dial right here that you can turn it up or down. You can turn it up to 100%, and I think you got 100 at full throttle, and you can turn it down to where at full throttle it's only at 69% throttle. So that way you can use it, you know, in beginner mode to learn a little bit more. This controller also has mode 1 and mode 2, which is you can swap the throttle to the left side, the right side. You can swap the throttle if that's the way you fly. And the pitch and yaw, you can switch to, the pitch and roll, you can switch to the left side. But I'm a mode 2 guy, so I keep it the way it is. Also in the box down here on the bottom, don't think you got gypped if you didn't look in the bottom. You need to look in the bottom. Down here on the bottom, they've got some stuff taped in here, and it would be your landing gear, which also comes with more screws. Maybe these screws, I'm not sure if these screws go, oh no, those screws go to the prop guards. You have landing gear and prop guards in this bag right here. It also comes with screws for the landing gear. I think it takes screws for the landing gear. There's a bunch of screws, that's all I know. I haven't put it together yet. But that's all for the unboxing. That's everything in there. We'll be back with a review video as soon as I can and a flight test. But you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me that you guys like and subscribe down below. We'll see you guys in the next video. This is DZ. Peace out.